Hello friends, good evening. My name is Sejin Mansuri from 18 Infocom. Today we are discussing the topic about the how to create custom module in Drupal. Uh, this covers 5 topics. First one is the create require files and place into Moodle directory. Second one is enabling module from backend. Third one is display module on front end. Fourth one is display module on block. And the last one is storing module data in the database. Uh, we are creating a custom module to store a log for the node record. Whenever a user tries to add or update any article node, then that data will be stored in a database. We are creating this module. First of all, we have to create required files in Moodle. For that, we are creating a custom module directory in Drupal. This is my Drupal. Go to sites, all modules, and create a new directory that is module. I am creating a custom module, so I am naming it custom. Custom is the machine readable name for Drupal. Then we are creating files in it. In this module, we require 3 files: info file, install file, and the module file. Install file is not necessary for every module. The basic module requires only 2 files: info file and module files. But in our module, we have to store data in database. That's why we are using install file. First of all, I am creating info file. I have created the info file. In this info file, I am putting the information like info version, description, name, etc. I am putting this code and save it. Its name is custom, description for the module, package, in which package this module goes, the it's a core module or any other module, its version, I am using 7 version, so this version is 7.x. I am saving this file. This file is created. Then I am creating the install file. In install file, we are putting database schemas, which tables are added or deleted at the installation or uninstallation of that module. I'm naming it as custom.install. This information goes into installation file. Um, we have to put custom schema. Custom is the module name. Which name you are using, you have to put that name here instead of custom. No, schema node log. Node log is the created table. That means if we installed this module, then node log table is created at the time of installation, and if we uninstall this module, this table will be deleted. Description of that table, and these are the fields for the table. ID, I have put ID, node type, node title, user ID, who has changed or created node, and date of updated time. These fields are added in that table. I have put ID as a primary key, so whenever a record is added, that key is auto incremented. This if you want to create new table, you have to add another schema of which uses another name. Now come to the module file. I am creating module file for this module. This is the main file for any module. This includes various functions. We can put here many functions here. First of all, I am putting the help blog in this module. Help is whenever a module is listed in the module list from admin side, this help link comes, and in help whenever we try to open that link, this message comes at the page. So you can change this message for your module. Now we are putting this module in menu, admin menu. We are using hook menu for this functionality. You have to put admin config and your module name here instead of custom. Title of your module, description, and this is callback function. This is the by default from Drupal, and you have to return that things. Now I am putting the form for the module, which includes the fields, etc. I have put two fields in the configuration form, text field 1 and text field 2. These will be stored in database and fetched from database at the time of module installation and uninstallation, and fetch module, etc. Now this is the function for submitting that function. If we click on submit here, then this function will be called, and these two variables text text field, two text fields are stored in the database as a variable set from variable set function. Now this module is basic module is created. Now we have to install it from the backend. I am logging as administrator in Drupal. Go to modules page. Here you can see custom module. This is comes under customized. We have put it in info file. We have to enable it. Now this module is enabled. Here help link comes, which we have put as a function in module file. This opens a page. Now we have put this custom menu function. So this menu comes in under configuration menu. Click on custom. Record कर दो. Error. I am disabling this module because there is some error. Now I am installing that again. This module is installed. I am deleting this table because reinstalling creates error for this. Now enabling it again. This module is enabled. Now go to the configuration. That custom link comes here. These two fields come here, which we have put in this custom form, custom field 1 and custom field 2. If you want to create another fields, you can put here like and copy and paste this code and change the field's name and whatever you want to change. I have put 1 and 2. I have changed it. These things will be saved in database. This function is for saving the that field's values in database. Now we are creating a custom function that creates a table entry in table for the node edit or added. I have put this function for that custom form alter. Hook form alter hook is used to create this function. You have to put form ID here. I am changing article node, so I have put article node form ID. You can put any form ID here. You want to change store that form data in database and add that form submit event. I have called this submit article function. I have put that submit article function here. I have inserted data at this in this function. Means whenever any user tries to create or update any article node, that entry will be stored in the database table we have created is node log. I have fetched that data from node that comes in under $form object. You can use that form object field from to in your database insertion. I have put NID type node, that is node type, node title, which comes from form title values, user ID, which comes from current user ID, and time, that is current date and time. Whenever I am creating new node, at that time I don't get any node ID. That's why I have put this code here to fetch auto increment value for the node table. That at that value the new node will be inserted. So if node ID is not there, I am putting this code, means to fetching that node ID, and this node ID, node type, node title, user ID and user current date time will be inserted in node log table. I am creating an article, content, add content article. I am putting title as article 1. Uh, then save it. This article 1 is created. Now we are coming in database. This is the node log table. The entry comes here. NID is 1, NID is 4 because this user NID is created for. Then title, its type is article, that's why it's come here. Title is article 1. User ID, it stores the UID here. I am logging with admin, so admin user ID is 1, that's why it's 1. And the current date and time, it's come in date updated field. Now we are updating this article. I have updated the title and I am saving this. This entry also comes here. Article 1 updated. The new title will become here. Now we are displaying it at the front side because we cannot see this log here at front end. So we are creating a blog to display that data. For that we are using hook block info hook for that, and I am putting custom block info function, and in that this custom is the ID for the created block. You have to change this ID for every block. Now is custom block view. This is the hook for hook block view. Here the main important thing is subject and content. Subject is the block title for the front end, and the content display will be displayed the content at the front end. I have called custom content function here for the content. In custom content block, I have fetched all the records from the node log table and converted into a table format string, and that string will be returned to this function block view. For users, we are fetching here user ID, so we have to put username at the front end. That's why I have put this code to fetch the user name from the database. Now I'm going to block page. Here we can find a custom block which we have created. This is the custom block. I am opening its configuration. If you want to put none title here, you can put none, but I want to uh, put title that I have put in module file, so I am leaving it blank. My default theme is Batik, so I am putting that content here, and I am putting these in node 4, only on node 4 block, saving that block. Now I am going to front end. I am opening node 4 to see the block. Now this block will come here. We have two records at this database, so we can see that two values here. At every time any user can create or update any node, then that data will be inserted in this table and comes in this block. Okay, at this way you can create any module in future.
Thank you, Sajid. Thank you, Sajid. Yes, you have any queries? Yes. Do you have any query? Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Yanesh, are you there? Do you have any query? If you have any query, you can raise. Okay. Thank you for attending this webinar. We have already listed this webinar website. You will on website and go to archive and attend the webinars also, and we also have a series of webinars available on our website. You can register for our next webinars. So we are working open source technologies on PHP and Java platform. So we are using the open source frameworks to perform. So maybe our future webinars technology topics available. You have any query? Let us know our email ID, that is ID at or you can visit our website and raise your questions over there. User forms. Thank you very much.